This how-to video will be on how to add a alarm with reason. So you'll see those in the software, a dual state alarm with reason on clear, or a tri-state with reason on acknowledge, and a tri-state with reason on clear. So this is where I'll be setting that up. So, or showing you how to set that up. And the advantage to that is if you were wanting to run a downtime by recent code report, this is the setup that you would need to use so that you get that information displayed correctly on that report. So from your welcome screen, we're going to the core software. From the core software, we're going to devices. So select that here. We can use our icons. Basically, we can set up those alarms with the reasons either on a VSC, a touch input, GSM, obviously the PC version is a PC input module or PCBS. So we'll go ahead and set up a PC input module. This will be the same process for either or. Click that. Give it a name. 40. I'm going to go to my monitoring points. I'm going to select my add a new alarm. So I'm going to call this maintenance. And for this one, I'm going to say this is going to be my dual state with reason on clear. So a dual state alarm is right set clear. So I'm going to do that, select that state, but what I want is I need to put in the reason for that alarm when they clear it. So with this one selected and set up as this, I'm going to hit my add new alarm. And so what I want it to say is this reason on clear. So basically this will be like, say, broken bell. Oops. And then if I need to add an additional one, I want to click back over on maintenance because we want it to be a child of this. I would hit another one here. I would select my reason on clear. And then I would select maybe boost pulse, something like that. So now I have my maintenance, which is a dual state, reason on clear. And then these two items are my reasons on clear. So now if I want to add another one to show you the tri-state version, so I would click on my root because I don't want to add a child of this. Click my new alarm. Here where I'm going to select my tri-state with reason on acknowledge. And so let's just call this supervisor. And then with that selected there, I'm going to hit my add new alarm. It's going to show up here. I'm going to say that we're going to have them select the supervisor that responded. So here's going to be my reason on acknowledge. Select this, and I hit another one here. Say, whoops. Undo. It would be my reason on it. So now I've got a supervisor, and when they acknowledge the alarm, they're going to pick who they are. The final type that we can do here is that tri-state clear, right? So I'm going to hit that to add a new one. Make sure I'm on that root. Got this. So let's just say this is team lead. This will be our tri-state with reason on clear. And then basically with that alarm selected there, we want to hit this piece so we can add our reason. So this will be our reason on clear. And team can say we needed help. And we're going to select that one again. We're going to hit our add. And then maybe this is required training, something to that effect, right? So this will be our reason. So now we've got our reason unclear for needed help, reason unclear required training. We have our main alarm here. And now what we can do is save and exit. And then what I can do is I can show you what that looks like. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to my PC devices here. Here's our station 40. And so what you can see is with the maintenance alarm, this is our dual state with the reason on clear. So essentially I'm going to set it, it's going to go out, and then when they go to clear it, they're going to hit this, it's going to come up as specify, and then this is where they're going to select with a reason that is. So select it, the alarm's getting clear. So now our supervisor alarm was supervisor with the reason not acknowledged. So we're going to hit supervisor, call's going to go out, they're going to specify it on acknowledge. So they're going to hit say John Doe. Now it's going to come up as clear, and then they're going to click. And then that last option we did was with the reason on the clear. So team lead goes out, team lead comes over, they acknowledge that they're there, they deal with the issue, it's going to come up as specify, and then they're going to select whatever that reason was for that one. That's on that clear. Close that tab out. This concludes our how-to on how to create those alarms with the reason codes on, acknowledge, or clear. Look forward to talking to you again.